Hello, I'm Martin from Ashby's, and today I've been playing around with our 400 PSI Ninja carpet cleaning machine, and I've been keeping it quiet with our silencer. I'm being helped by Michael, who's on the camera. Say hello, Michael.
Hello.
This is our silencer. Get a close-up of that, Michael, and it's all its beauty. It's a very simple to use item which hangs on the rear handle of the machine, and the hose connects to the rear exhaust of the machine, so all your air is sucked in, but where it's blown out there, that's where it connects to. It's robust because it's made from the same material that the Ninja is made from, which is polyethylene, and the handles are very robust as well. There's no electronic parts, so it's simple to use, no maintenance, and lasts a long time. So I'm going to show you it working. First of all, I'm going to turn the machine on. If you want to come around here, Michael, we've got the water pump, vacuum 2, vacuum 1. And then I hang it on the rear handle, like so. And connect this pipe to the exhaust, which keeps the machine nice and quiet. Great when you're working in an office environment so people around you can continue working. Great when you're working in someone's home. It's not disruptive to them. They can get on with their day, or working from home, whatever they're doing. And it's great if you're working in a nursing home or a hotel, because the residents or the guests are not being disturbed and they're able to do whatever they want to do. We've got it connected up, so we may as well have a look at a 400 PSI Ninja working. Now, 400 PSI Ninja is great because it's light enough to easily move up and down the stairs. So on the odd occasion when you need to take it upstairs, because it will run up to 200 foot of hose, you can simply bump it up as if you were bumping a pram up a flight of stairs. So yeah, come through and we'll show you it in action. We've got a little army of senseis over here on the left waiting for collection. It's not normally this cluttered. These are 250 PSI, lightweight, handle folds down so they're very compact, easy for people to work with if they're working from a car, and very easy to lift up and basically get into or out of a vehicle if you're looking for a lightweight portable machine with a bit of power. This is the bad boy, this is the Enforcer. You can have, most people go for 400 PSI, but you can have up to 800 PSI. Works hundreds of feet of hose, a bit like the Ninja. A really good machine. And over here we got these little things. These are waiting for collection. These are a heated version of our Spotmaster spotting machine. They're great for when there's drink spills in offices, or if you've got just a stain removal job. And they actually have built-in mini heat exchangers, so they give you instant hot water. I'm lucky enough to have one of these at home, and I use it quite frequently with family life. Right, okay, so here we have a twin jet stainless steel wand. It's one of our Ashby's premium twin jet stainless steel wands, and I've got a glide on it, which means that it really easily slips over the carpet. That's 400 PSI coming out, just to show you, in a little bit of a longer run than I would normally do. Yeah, really, really easy to use. You can use it even with one hand because it makes it about a third of the effort that is usually required. So I recommend a wand glide. But yeah, the silencer is a great way to keep your machine nice and quiet, so it's not winding you up and not winding your customers up either. So, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If we can help you with a silencer, please order it online or give us a call. Ask any questions you'd like and order it over the phone. Thank you very much.